Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. So these are the cards for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. So let's see what are these cards. We have Four of Swords in reverse, Hierophant, and Four of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, you have reached a point, maybe a beginning of a new career path or some kind of an initial success in something. Maybe in this relationship you are moving towards a positive, meaningful connection with this person. So a new beginning, and you have that, you feel inspired, confident in your situation, and you are celebrating that initial success today, guys. Some kind of happiness because of that initial success in your situation. And maybe certain choices that you make in your career, it is going in a positive way, but you need to put in lot of efforts from your side. Maybe you have to work really hard, use all your talents and skills to make it or maintain that prosperity or success in your career, or it may be something in your personal life. So you need to do everything to hold on to this person or make them understand you. So you are trying really hard, using your time, energy, investing so much in this love, in this connection. Maybe the reason, maybe you are deeply connected to this person and you love them deeply. So you have or you want this connection to work, or this person to see you in the true light. So you are having no inhibitions to show them what you are today, guys. So you are trying really hard, being really open to this person, trying to bring that deep love and understanding with them. So this may be their energy towards you or your energy towards this person, towards this love. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have Hermit in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe they are not open like you, they are hiding something, they are not telling you the truth about certain things. Maybe they have some inhibitions, so they are maybe they have done something wrong, or they are not yet free with you to be open like you. So they have not reached that state yet, guys. That may be the reason we have this card. So they are hiding something, or they are quite cautious. They don't want to get too involved with you, and sometimes things may go wrong and this connection may not last. So they have some kind of fears on their part, some unreasoned fears are there, and they are quite cautious today, guys. That may be the reason they are holding back from you. So that is what I see with this card, guys, Aquarius. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, there are some things not going right for you. Maybe maybe the people you work with, they are not so determined like you, so some kind of troubles or stress because of that, guys, in your situation. Aquarius, today I have a special reading coming up right now. It is your story, it's your fairy tale story. So it's going to be like a pick a card. So stay tuned for that. That is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy story. So whatever your situation is, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card for the first reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what is your fairy story. It's brother and sister transformation. So with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, it just means that whatever knowledge or wisdom that we have in our situation, and whatever likes or dislikes or instincts that we have, so all that must work in harmony if we want a peaceful life. And in our situations, maybe some things are pointing us towards something in our life, in it may be in our relationship or it may be in our day-to-day life. There are some warning signs you are seeing. You need to be really careful, guys. If you are maybe if you have people telling you something, suggesting you something, or you yourself are having some instincts about something or intuition about something, you need to listen to it. If you do not do that, there will be some consequences and you will have to live with those consequences, guys. So today you should not fear the people who are envious of you, jealous of you. You need to move forward in life, have that positive outlook. Listen to people who are suggesting you something. So there is someone suggesting you, it may be your sibling, sister or a brother, telling you something. You need to listen to it. So that way you will be able to overcome any difficulties in your situation, guys. And this story, the story with this card, is about the balance that we need to maintain, guys, in our life. So we should not go for that instant gratification. So things are tempting us all along in life. There are so many circumstances tempting us, but we should have that strong will in our heart. We should always lean towards good life, guys. So in order to lead a good life, we should not take up something, we should not go for that instant gratification in our situation. So that is what will work against us. So we need to think through what needs to be done today, and our actions should not affect the people who are with us. So we should think about that also in our situation, guys. So for that harmony and balance, to find that harmony and balance in our situation, we should take life in a simpler way, learn to live life simply by leaning towards the good things, maybe good behavior, good habits, good words, and we should care for people, maybe younger people in our life, maybe our younger siblings, brother or sister. And this card has a strong, what to say, that bonding between brothers and sisters. So maybe in your situation, guys, you have your brother or sister helping you, suggesting you something. You need to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, this is your story. I hope it resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So now let's start with the second card. So we will keep this aside. So this is your second card. We have the white snake. Understanding. So that is the card. Such a beautiful card here. So this card just means that all our sacrifices will be rewarded for sure, and good work or good behavior or goodness in us is always rewarded, and our courage is always rewarded. So no need to put up excuses when we are confronted with truth, guys. So we cannot make any excuses to escape from some truth in our situation. So something has come up in your life, maybe some experience. People may seem distant, unemotional, or lacking in warmth towards you. But if you continue to do the right things, be good and be in your goodness, or not change by the way people are treating you or by the way your circumstances are going. If you continue to be yourself, to be that good person, there will be a breakthrough moment, guys. So there is also a time, a turning point happening in your relationship. So this person will come to understand what you have done for them, what you have done for this love, and what you are worth. So you will be able to change people's life, help them to heal, and help them to heal in this situation, guys. Maybe they are hurt, they have some negative past, or some past memories are hurting them, or maybe for some of you it may be your present situation. They are hurt by how things are going today, but you need to understand that you have the power to heal with your goodness, guys. And by showing that true love and true goodness you have in your heart, you are going to heal your situation and heal this person you love, guys. So that is the story with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.